Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day! And for those of you who mothers no longer here, my hearts and prayers are with you. I thank God for the memories. Anyway, I just wanted to say I am here to do my script writing for this week, and this is the first, well actually the second Sunday of the month. But anyway, so this is the week 3 through 9, which is Mother's Day. So for the third, it was Psalm 66:18, because we're in Psalms. If I regard iniquity in my heart, the Lord will not hear me. Tuesday is 72:18. Blessed be the Lord God, the God of Israel, who only doth wondrous things. The fifth, for promotion cometh from neither from the east, nor the west, nor from the west, nor from the south. But God is the judge. He putteth down one, and he set up another. Psalm 75:7. I think I must have left out, yeah, the east, west, south. Okay. I call to remembrance my song in the night. I commune with mine own heart, and my spirit made diligent search. Psalm 77:6. And in Friday, there shall no strange God be in thee, neither shalt thou worship any strange God. Psalms 81:9. Saturday was that men may know that thou, whose name is Jehovah. Okay, can you read my writing? Whose name alone is Jehovah, art the most high, high one over all the earth. Psalms 83:18. And then Sunday, Mother's Day, is 86:11. Teach me thy way, O Lord. I will walk in thy truth. Unite my heart to fear thy name. I have a hard time reading my writing, but anyway, I am going to come right back, put it on fast forward, and you will see what I create. Okay, so I am back. Quick little layout, and I just put down some washi. I did some stamping with this illustrated faith stamp, and used some of my Maggie Holmes and wrong stamps, and some of my Bible journaling washi, and just made a little quick little layout. And that is it. And I will have a picture on my hzscribe Instagram, so you can see it up close. Again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Let God use you here on this earth. Take care and God bless you.